Oh yeah. Today's the day. Hopefully. We're going to try to pull the motor out of the Evo. I think this is the Evo. I think that's the Shadow. I'm going to lose followers for this.
Oh boy.
I think what we're going to do is pull the rear wheel so we can remove the belt. And that way I can roll this thing around, because currently I can't even roll it. It's stuck in second gear, which is moving the pistons up and down. My sick. Bike's in the stand. Got the belt off. Yeah.
What you got?
Part of the transmission case. 2 parts of the transmission case. We just pulled the motor out of the bike, and upon doing that realized the transmission case was cracked in 2 places. And then in addition to that, the frame is also got some interesting things. So I'm at a crossroad here on what to do.